Today we are going to discuss about link colors in different states and how to change the colors of the different states. For that, let us first create a link. So enter, inside the href, let us add a file. For example, link.html. Here I mention link tutorial. Save. Let us double click this file. And here is the output. So this link I have not yet clicked, so it is not visited yet, and its color is blue and it is underlined. So here it mentions unvisited link underlined and blue. If I click it, what will be the result? But before I click, what will be the result if I just click and hold it? That would be active link. So if I click it and hold it, it becomes red and underlined. So active link is underlined and red. And if I visit it, let's see what happens. So reload, and if I click, I have visited the link. So back. Now the color of the link is purple and also underlined. Now we want to change the colors of different states. For that, we will use CSS. I already had a basic tutorial in previous video about CSS. I'll add the link in the description and there will be a pop-up here. Now let us add another link. Here I'll change it. I'll mention iframe.html. So iframe. Also change the content here, and we need to add a line break here. Otherwise they will be on the same line. Save, reload. So this link is not visited yet. First of all, we will check the active color. How can we change it? So if I click it, hold it, it is active now at this moment. I want to change this color. So for that we will use a clone active. So here we have to add style tag within the head tag. Now type a clone active. So color would be, instead of red we want pink, maybe deep pink. Save, reload. Before reload, let us check again. This is red. Reload, and now it is pink. So we have learned about a clone active. Then we will learn about a clone hover. So that means when you hover the mouse over the link, its color will change. But at this moment it is not changing. For that we will add a clone hover color. What would be the color? Hover color. Let's use blue violet. Save, reload. Now if I hover, you see color changes in both cases. Then we will learn about a visited. So if I visit the link by clicking and come back, it becomes actually purple. So it is also purple, the top one, because we had visited that link also. We want to change the visited color. So here a colon visited, curly brace, here color would be, let's say, green yellow. Save, reload. So visited colors are now green yellow. Finally, we will use a clone link. That means it is the default color. The link has not been visited. It is not also hover over color. It is not also active link. It is the color when you just create the link and reload the page. How can we change that? For that, we will create another link. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V, add a line break here. Save. And here I have to change the, maybe let's add image.html. Here also image. Save. Reload. So this is the new link, Unvisited. Now we want to change this color. How to do that? So a colon link color, instead of blue we want coral. Save. Reload. Now it's coral color. So this is the way we can change the link colors in their different states using CSS. That is all for today. Thanks everyone.